Hi fellow crafters, I'm Terri from nutsaboutsstamping.com. Welcome to, or welcome back to, my YouTube channel. Today I have a super fun project to share with you. I'm going to combine a brand new bundle that was just released along with a brand new kit that was just released to make a really fun fall project idea. Let's get started. Introducing the warm, cozy, and delicious More Than Autumn stamp set. There are so many possibilities with this set and the matching dies that I promise you, you will never get bored using it. So you can combine the words to create the sentiment you want, whether it's for autumn, for Christmas, for winter, drinks and food, or just somebody special in your life. So I'm going to bundle this stamp set and set of dies with another new product that Stampin' Up! Has just released. This is the new Autumn to Remember scrapbooking workshop kit. And what it is designed to do is help you, and it gives you all the supplies that you need to make 3 12 by 12 2-page scrapbook spreads. So the kit comes with instructions, step-by-step instructions, designer series paper. We're going to look at that in a second. 2-toned cardstock sheets. This is something brand new that Stampin' Up! Has just come out with. Printed stickers and die-cut images, and photo placeholders. So I have already started using this kit. This is a single-sided. This is a single-sided. You get some white and some green. And look at this new, it's light on one side and dark on the other. So this is a new product that Stampin' Up! Has come out with. They're 12 by 12 sheets, and you can order them separately from the kit. You can also order the designer series paper separate from the kit. So you don't have to buy the kit if you're not into scrapbooking, but I kind of am again. I feel like my mojo is back. And look at this. I've already used some of the phrases out of here, but I think that's really cool. It's kind of like woodcuts. It is not adhesive. Look, you can use that side or you can use that side for some of them. And here's the sticker sheet, which I think is cool. Here is another set of sticker sheets and another one. So this kit is absolutely amazing. So you've got the light on one side and the dark on the other, which I think is really, really cool. And here's another designer series paper that is single-sided. And then you've got this last color here. Oh, and one more. I mean, the kit comes with so much. There are so many ideas that you can create with them, but I'm going to show you one of them, mixing and matching with the More Than Autumn bundle. So let's get going. So I have 2 pieces of very vanilla scrap cardstock, and I've got this, it's like the whipped cream that would be on top of a cup. So I'm going to stamp these down, or this down twice, onto the 2 pieces of very vanilla, and then I'm going to set them aside and I'll die cut them out in a minute. The next thing I want to do is bring in 2 more pieces of very vanilla, and I've got the cup, and I think it would be fun to add the cup image to my memory page. So there's one, and there's another. And then I'm going to get some of my Stampin' Blends and we're going to color these cups. I've got my dark crumb cake Stampin' Blend, and I'm going to color the top part of each cup and the bottom part to start off with. Now I'm going to use my light pumpkin pie Stampin' Blend, and I'm going to color the center of each of the cups. The next thing I want to do is take my dies, and I want to die cut out the 2 cups. I want to die cut out the whipped cream topper. And then in the die pack, we've got some phrases. We've got pumpkin spice season, and then this little one says latte. So I'm going to cut 2 of those out. So I'm going to go over to my Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine. I'm going to die cut everything out, and then we're going to put this memory page together. Now the next thing I'm going to do is take this tiny pumpkin and my Tuxedo black ink, and I'm going to stamp 3 pumpkins across the bottom of this layer of Very Vanilla. And then I'm going to take my same pumpkin pie Stampin' Blend, and I'm going to color all 3 pumpkins. Now I have my pumpkin spice season words die cut out. What I forgot to tell you was on the back of each one I used some of our adhesive sheets because it turns them into stickers. So I'm going to apply these 3 words now to my Very Vanilla layer, and it's going to look something like that. And there we go. So now let's get this memory page put together. This is one of the 12 by 12 sheets in the Autumn to Remember Scrapbooking Workshop Kit, and I'm going to use it for my page. In the same kit, there is this strip, and so I'm going to use my multi-purpose liquid glue, and I'm going to adhere this strip to the top of my page, and it will become a title. In the same kit is this element that says Grateful, and I'm going to adhere that down onto that yellow strip that I just adhered to my page, and I'm going to use multi-purpose liquid glue. The next thing I want to do is add 3 photo blocks to my page. I've got Old Olive, Cajun Craze, and So Saffron, and so I'm going to adhere those down next, and these will be sized correctly so that I can put 2 large photos on top, and it'll have the colored border around the outside, and the same for the Cajun Craze. One of the things that I forgot to mention is in the same scrapbooking workshop kit, you have some photo placeholders. So when you're designing your pages at home, you can kind of slide these around. There's different sizes of them. And that way you know kind of where you want to put your photos, and then you can put all the other elements around. I've been scrapbooking for a little while, so I kind of had an idea in my head of where I wanted to go. So now we've got this element, and I'm going to add that down here to the bottom right corner of my page. Now the next thing I want to do is I want to add one of my latte cups here and one of my latte cups here, keeping in mind that I've got this whipped cream that's going to go on top, so I don't want to cover up my words. And I'm going to use some mini Stampin' Dimensionals to give these elements a little bit of a lift off the page. And then the final thing I want to do is take these 3 sort of wooden elements that are leaf shaped, and I want to add them to my page as a final touch. And I'm going to use mini Stampin' Dimensionals as well. And there we go, my page is finished. Let me just slide it so that you can see. I added 2 of the leaf elements there, and I used 1 mini Stampin' Dimensional so that when I get my photos developed, I'll be able to slide the corner of my photo under the leaf. And I've got my title that says Grateful, and I'm grateful for pumpkin spice season, as I'm sure all of you are as well. And isn't that a super cute page that was so easy to create? Thanks to the Autumn to Remember Scrapbooking Workshop Kit and the More Than Autumn bundle. If you would like a complete listing of the supplies that I used and the measurements for all of the layers, I will link to my blog article in the description box under this video. You can head over there and you can get all the information you need, including the Scrapbooking Workshop Kit ordering number and the More Than Autumn bundle ordering number. I'm Terry. I am Nuts About Stamping. I'll see you at the next video. Bye for now.